Hey y'all, so starting a new vlog today. I look absolutely insane. I just finished listing a good bit of stuff. I've actually been very productive today, which explains the look. But as you can see, insert scream sound effect here. My space is a hot mess. So I am about to straighten up and put away these things that I have listed. They are all right here. Let me show you. This stuff is not just from today. I actually did some listing the other day too. So it's kind of a mix. So yeah, some really good stuff though, y'all. So definitely go check out my closets on Vinted, Poshmark, and Mercari now officially. So yeah. Let's do a time lapse of me cleaning. Drop that. Okay, so hey y'all, I have done as much as I'm going to do tonight. It is kind of late. I think it's like 10 o'clock already. And I just want to say this though. If you have any type of business, home business, where basically you, or even if you have like a office space and whatnot, don't forget to do your cleaning every once in a while and reorganizing and stuff like that, because it just changes your whole spirit about the whole place. Sometimes if your space is like really messed up, you can walk in and be exhausted right away. So it's like before you even get any work done. So I basically let it get out of hand. I have to admit, for a little while, because now there's like so much more space than what it looked like before. But yeah, I'm just glad that I went ahead and did a little something. And I want to say, do it even if your space will still kind of look a little junky afterwards, because there's just so much stuff in the space. Because even just a little bit of like organization definitely helps with just overall like feeling in the space. One other tip I want to give y'all for this clip, and then I'm gonna go hop in a shower and relax for the rest of the day or the night. I do have to work tomorrow. So I wanna tell y'all that if you have a reselling space inside your house, I highly recommend that you get some of these desiccants, these big desiccants. I get these from Dollar Tree. They work like a freaking charm, okay, to keep smells out of the space. What I've noticed is any place that has like a lot of clothes, and I don't know if it's particularly just like used clothes or what, but it tends to like hold moisture, that's at least what I have experienced, right? Outside of a storage, I don't know if it's just this space, but like in the house, sometimes it can hold moisture. And this is the same thing for your closet, like having your shoes, your clothes, and everything in that space. Having one of those desiccants can really help remove not only the moisture from the air, but if y'all use like little cheap air fresheners, like I do, you can actually smell it. It actually helps this scent get boosted in the room, so that not only do you eliminate any, lingering odors that might be just because of the moisture in the air, you also can use a really cheap, a little air freshener and you know, you actually can smell it. Because those things sometimes, I think some people use them but can't smell them. You know, they don't really know why. Because I didn't know for a long time. But anywho, yes, y'all, this is the space when it is not 100%, but somewhat organized. And this is stuff that needs to be taken pictures of and stuff, so don't mind that. But yeah, all right, so I'll see y'all in the next clip. Bye.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Real good. You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Hey y'all, so we at the BINZ, and this is the damage so far. Say hello to my mom, who's reading her book as usual. Mom, say hello. So yeah, I'm sorting through all the stuff. We've only been here for like what, an hour or two? I don't know. You don't know? It's probably been like 2 hours or whatever. And we're doing all right. I think we're doing all right. I found some okay stuff so far. Bread and butters mostly. A good bit of evening wear. We'll see if we're gonna keep it though. I'm still sorting, like I said. So yeah, I forgot to tell y'all we was coming to the BINZ. So my bad. Hey y'all, what's up? So I'm in the car and it is getting hot quickly. So I just wanted to pop on. It has become a tradition for me to pop on the day of my live streams. So today is a Thursday. What is today? The 10th, I believe, of April. Oh, Jesus Christ, y'all. Woo, talk about being tired. So today's the 10th of April. I'm outside of my favorite tea place so I can get my brain together. I got to get my black tea, and I'm outside of Plato's Closet, y'all. And we are doing girl boss math. I've been trying to get a handle on my budget and whatnot and how much money I've been spending on fast food and tea and coffee. But I just love a good coffee spot. So yeah, it's, you know, it's in the works. I'm a work in progress, y'all. Pray for me, okay? So I'm gonna go get my tea, get my mind right. And yeah, like I said, today is the live haul. So it's going to be live BINZ haul number 11. Okay, y'all, the vintage t-shirt bros, let me get one, y'all. And it's super exciting. When I was there, I did do a Google Lens on the particular item y'all are going to see in the haul. The haul should be out. If y'all are watching me, the haul is out. So go watch it after. Finish this video first though. I always forget to say that. But yeah. And today I'm just out and about. So I'm finna go get tea. I'm finna walk into Plato's Closet. I'm gonna take y'all with me. So I'm low-key using y'all for tea. Okay. I'm gonna get this tea. We're gonna do this girl boss math. And I'm going to write this tea off. So I'm giving myself a pass. It is a beautiful day. I'm having a good day. Look at the Marines truck out there. But anyways, my car is junky. That's my little car cover that I just bought because Austin was supposed to have a hailstorm that did not happen. I actually bought two. I bought one from Walmart that I'm getting ready to take back today. So I got a couple of little small errands to run. But yeah, Walmart had those covers for $30, y'all. And I looked online and found them covers for $8 at Advanced Auto Parts. So if you need one, that's where you need to go, okay? Just in case y'all are experiencing this rando weather in your state or city, or if you're in Austin as well, y'all, okay? So yes, just wanted to pop on. Just want to tell y'all what's up. Let's go get us some tea and let's go into Plato's Closet and see if they got anything for us. Sometimes I buy 1 or 2 things, so I wasn't just, okay, I'll admit, I wasn't just using y'all for tea. I actually just wanted, you know, buy for one and stuff. I was gonna be able to write this off anyway, because I'm gonna go into Plato's Closet, girl, and every once in a while, they have like 1 or 2 things, okay? All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next clip. Bye.